Look, if the dirt in your body is not being cleaned, then you can eat even the best things, but you will not get any benefit from it. And as soon as the dirt in your body gets cleaned, your digestive system starts working very fast. Along with feeling more strength inside the body, the face becomes clearer and it becomes easier to gain and lose weight. Whatever the problem, be it pimples, spots or acne, everything starts getting cured and the risk of many serious diseases gets eliminated from its roots. So the first thing we talk about is how dirt gets accumulated inside our body. So see, whatever we eat passes through the alimentary canal and reaches the stomach, where after being broken down, the food goes into the small intestine, which later goes out of our body in the form of stool, but in this process most of the dirt gets accumulated in our intestines. If we zoom in on our intestine, it looks something like this, in which there are small projections that look like fingers, which work like a filter. Because there are nerves inside these bulges which are connected to different parts of our body. And through this vein, the nutrients present in the food are pulled into the blood and delivered to different parts of our body. But when we consume wrong kind of food knowingly or unknowingly, it starts sticking to our intestines and gradually gets deposited in a thick layer. So that when our intestines extract the nutrients present in the food, along with it the dirt also gets mixed into our blood. And then this dirt gets accumulated in different parts of the body. When this dirt reaches our liver through blood, diseases like fatty liver and gonorrhea occur. When deposited in a kidney, it causes kidney stones, and when deposited in the lungs, it causes asthma and reaches the heart through the blood. So cholesterol and blockage occurs in our veins, and when this dirt reaches our system, problems like spots, itching, pimples, etc. start happening. And not only this, when this dirty blood spreads throughout our body, the hormonal balance of our body also starts deteriorating, due to which our risk of getting other fatal diseases increases. Even cancer. Just understand that every small disease and big disease in the body is caused by accumulation of dirt inside the body. And that's why in today's video I will tell you about 5 such methods which you can do only once a week. So this will cure your whole body. Watch the video till the end because it is going to help a lot in keeping you healthy. Look, number 1, what you have to do in this is that as soon as you wake up in the morning, the first thing you have to do is freshen up. And after this you have to take a glass of lukewarm water and squeeze half a lemon in it. And then you have to swallow the lemon water, and after that what you have to do is sit in the morning sun for 15 to 20 minutes. What happens by doing this is that sunlight contains vitamin D, which is very important for the functioning of our body. And at the same time, in the presence of vitamin D, all the bacteria and germs die. Therefore, after drinking lemon water, you must sit in the sun for 15 to 20 minutes. See number 2, oil pulley. What you have to do in it is to take 1 spoon of coconut oil or mustard oil. And after putting 1 spoon of oil in the mouth, he has to keep swirling it around his mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. See what happens by doing this. The oil that is produced is all the dirt in our body. It pulls it towards itself, and our body gets connected with all the organs like our kidneys, heart, lung, small intestine, spine. And whatever dirt there is from all these organs gets stuck in the oil, and then what you have to do is you have to throw the oil out and you have to rinse it. The third thing that you have to do is to make a slight change in your eating time, so that you have to eat dinner a little earlier. and have your morning meal a little late, and this is because the body we have is an addictive feed, that is, you can keep your body in any condition. Within a few days, we will put ourselves in that situation and our body will clean itself from inside. But we make some such mistakes due to which our body does not get time to clean itself. See all the recovery processes that take place in our body. All the cleaning processes take place when we are in deep sleep. But when you sleep immediately after eating dinner, your body's organs become busy digesting it at night. And he does not get time to detox his body, and that is why what you have to do is that you have to eat food at night between 6 to 7 o'clock. What will happen by doing this is that the food you eat will be completely digested before you sleep, and when you sleep at night, your body's organs will be able to detoxify themselves properly. Apart from this, whenever you eat food, after 10 minutes you have to take a small piece of ginger. Take a nail-sized piece and a small piece of jaggery and chew both these things and eat them. See what these two things do. First of all, it pulls out all the dirt in your body along with food. And the second thing is that it helps in preserving your food properly and so that your food gets digested and does not rot. Number 4, what to eat and what not to eat. The first thing is that while you are detoxing your body, for a few days, avoid things made from oil, things available in packets, biscuits, chips, cold drinks, and all kinds of things made from sugar. Stop eating properly, because these things get deposited in your intestines in the form of dirt. It has become a matter of what you should not eat. Now listen carefully and see what you have to eat. There is no need to make any changes in the grains you are eating at home. You just have to keep one thing in mind, and that is the vegetables. Whenever you eat food, keep a little more quantity of vegetables in it. That is, if earlier you used to eat food with half a bowl of vegetables, then from today you will eat food with 1 bowl of vegetables. What happens by doing this is that vegetables contain high amount of fiber, and fiber is the thing that pulls the dirt from our intestines and passes it out along with our waste. Number 5, take out 25 to 30 minutes a day to do some kind of physical activity. Whether you are playing any game, running, working out, doing exercise, whatever it is, there should be any kind of physical activity. This is because whenever you do any kind of physical activity, sweat comes out from your body, and along with sweat the dirt from your body also comes out. So at least take out 25 to 30 minutes a day for your body. To watch similar health and fitness videos, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video.